Hey, Master Gardeners, I'm here at Jerry Hudgens' garden, and he has the most amazing, he's a master gardener. He's got an amazing shade garden, and I'm here because I just love this Allegheny Spurge ground cover. This is a native. So if you're growing Pachysandra terminalis, which is really an Asiatic version, that's invasive and it's not a recommended plant. But this one is a recommended plant. And the beauty of this is the lovely foliage. I hope you get an opportunity to zoom down on here. All the leaves are they're kind of at the terminal, and you've got sort of a naked stem all the way down. And look, it's even making buds and sprouts at the base. I hope you're enjoying the sound of the leaf blower in the background. Neighbors are busy. But not quite world. I guess it's really more of an alternate here. But this is a plant that's hardy to zones 5 to 9. And prefers, as you can tell here, I'm on a pretty steep slope. So it likes that well-drained soil. It likes moist soil. And as you can see, I'm under a beech tree. It likes shade. I mean, like really shade. You've got to have partial shade to a full shade situation for this. The cool thing is it's deer resistant, so they're not going to eat it. It's a slow grower, unlike those other Pachysandra. So this can become, it'll take a little time for you to establish as a full ground cover in your yard. But it makes the same little white spike flower. Very uncommon for it to reproduce by seed, but Mr. Jerry said it's going on up his hillside, so it must be some seeds spreading up there a little higher. Easy to propagate. You can just take cuttings off of this, and anywhere along the buds, you can stick them and they'll root in. There are some special cultivars. There's a dwarf one called Pixie. Yeah, Pixie, how about that? But there's different cultivars of these native Allegheny, we call them Allegheny Spurge when it's this fancy one. So hey, cool one, Master Gardeners, cool one to know.